Dear friends, welcome and namaste. In today's video, we will see the Peterhof Palace, which is the UNESCO's World Heritage Site located in Peterhof near St. Petersburg in Russia. The palace is built by the Peter the Great, the first emperor of the Russia, and later it was enhanced significantly by Elizabeth, the Catherine II, and Nicholas I during their regime. The famous architect Bartolomeo Rostrelli gave the palace new look in Baroque style. Inside the palace, you will see gilded doors, walls, decorated corridors, statues, beautiful furniture, paintings, and many other unique art masterpieces. Look at these doors. Intricate golden work on it. This is Baroque style painting on the ceiling. These are gilded walls. Wow, how beautiful it looks. Yeah, this is a dining room with beautiful chandelier and panels. Look at this crockery. And this is beautifully decorated bedroom. Wow, how lavish it is. This is throne of the king. And this is golden peacock. This is golden watch. Inside the palace there are a number of beautiful paintings. This is weapon and armor. This is music room. Look at this musical instrument. And this is auditorium room. The palace was significantly damaged during the Second World War, but it has been restored based on the available photographs and paintings. As you come out of the palace, you will see beautiful fountain garden. Look at this historical complex, how big it is. At the end of this complex you will see a chapel dome. The dominant natural feature of Peterhof Palace is that it is on 16-meter high cliff lying less than 100 meters from the shore of Baltic Sea. At the end of this tunnel you will see a Baltic Sea. There are 64 fountains, and in the middle the Grand Cascade of Peterhof Palace is among the world's most famous and affluent water fountains and is considered to be an architectural masterpiece. Water flows down through two sets of staircases decorated with gilded sculptures. The water flow into semicircular pool which terminates in sea channel. The greatest technological achievement of these fountains is that all the fountains operate without use of pumps. Water is supplied from natural spring and collects in reservoirs in the upper gardens and it flows down. This is Samson Fountain, which represents Russia's victory over Sweden. There are many beautiful gardens in around area. Look at the shape of trees. Wow, beautiful flowers. Wow, very colorful and beautiful Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do watch my other videos on Russia. Link is given at the end of this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours, Desi Pardesi.